Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm going to play in my small art journal, and I hope everybody will enjoy this. I hope everything looks good. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to be doing a voiceover so that I can speed this up and it's not going to take so long for this video. But I covered my page with clear gesso and let it dry. And now I'm just adding some colors, watercolors to the page to get my background. I add some yellows, some blues, some greens, some teals, and I just mixed it up a little bit and just to get something to the background. And I spray it with water and just play with it and have fun. Also, once I get my background down, I will end up drying it with my heat gun. I added some splatters with my watercolors and I set that aside to dry more naturally. And now I'm just taking this Ranger Distress embossing pen and I want to embellish these ladies. And I am going to be using, I think it's lemon squeeze embossing powder for the flowers, and I'll be using aged mahogany for one of the dresses. And this is a Tim Holtz Distress embossing powder. I finally got my ink for my ink pad, and I inked around that, but I'm not sure how this inking the ink pad's going to work for me. So anyway, I'm fixing to embellish some of my other pieces, and this is just a chipboard frame, and I liked it, but I just didn't think I needed it to be so thick, so I just tore it down, and I'm just building up a bright background since my ladies are for the most part neutral. And so I'm just having fun layering it up, and I will be embellishing with my gel pens and things like that, just to make it a little bit more interesting. Now I'm just going around the edge of my page with my Stabilo All just to frame it out. Once I go around it, I'm going to take my water brush and then smear the Stabilo All. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.